Okay, welcome back. So now everyone has had a chance to see how it works with easy numbers like 3 and 7. What about really hard numbers like fractions? Now, if you do this the way I'm about to show you, your life will be very easy. If you don't do this the way I'm about to show you, your life gets very complicated with decimals. So let's do it my way. Let's take a look. Your roots are I have to start off by finding the family of curves first. So first, determine family. So to do that, I'm going to take my roots and notice that now, are you ready? Because you're going to freak out. The step before those two steps was do you see where it came from? That's what you got to remember to do. If you pull that over as x minus 3 over 4 and pull this over as x plus 2 over 3, good luck with your fractions. It's going to be ugly. But if we do it this way, it's going to be easier. So the family is going to look like this. Y equals d, 4x minus 3, 3x plus 2. That's your family of curves. We can expand it or not. They didn't ask me to, did they? But I'm going to use this now and the specific point 1, 3. And I'm going to remember that this is y. No, that was a lie. That's x. And that is y. So when I plug them in, I'm going to get 3 equals d, 4 times 1 minus 3, 3 times 1 plus 2. And what I did was I put this x in there, in there, in there, in there. And I took this guy and I went in there and no, not in there, and down to there. Tricked you. Okie dokie, Smokey? So now I know 3 equals d, 1, 5. D equals 3 over 5. Yes, that's a good answer. No, you didn't do anything wrong. So therefore, y equals 3 over 5, bracket, 4x minus 3, 3x plus 2. That's in factored form. And as far as I'm concerned, most of the time that's wonderful. But sometimes they'll ask it to be in standard form. Hold on just a second, George. I'll be right with you. If they ask it for in standard form, then you're looking at this. Oh my goodness. 12 times 3 is 36 over 5. That's negative 1, so that's negative 3 over 5. That's negative 6, so that'll be negative 18 over 5. Does anyone think that's actually any better? I don't, but hey, that's life. George is next. George, what do you want?
When you brought the 3 over from the d, when you changed the sign?
Very cool. I didn't bring the 3 over from the d. Let's go here. I had 3 equals d times 5. Agreed? So that's the same as 3 equals 5 times d. Agreed? Boom chaka-laka laka. Boom chaka-laka laka. 3 over 5 equals d. Now, if 3 over 5 equals d, does it make sense that d equals 3 over 5? Okay. That's what I did. Morrison.
So if on a test you don't specify if you want it factor standard, like can we just pick whichever one is easiest for the question?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And if I was to mark it wrong, I'd expect you to come up and argue with me, and I would give you the mark.
Okay.
Yes?
How did you get from like x equals 3 over 4 and negative 2 over 3 to 4x minus 2, like at the very beginning?
Okay. Back. Way back here, I've got x equals 3 over 4. Let's work backwards. Multiply both sides by 4. Take the 3 over to the other side. There's my factor. Now the only thing is, I am going to do it a little bit more fluid than that. I'm going to say in my head, the 3 comes up here, so it's going to be 3x. The negative 2 comes over here, so it's going to be 3x plus 2 equals 0. That's just because I'm good at algebra. And you guys need to be too. Other questions? These are good. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video now, and then we will come back with the next.